welcome back to another really belated Ipsy unboxing. So, although we are currently in May, I am filming my February Ipsy Glam bag unboxing because why not? I'm just trying to catch back up now, so these are coming a little closer together than one a month, just trying to catch up on all the things now so I can start reviewing the things in them, because it wouldn't make much sense to take them out, review them, and then put them back in just to unbox them, you know? So, anyways, the February bag is so effing cute. Look at it. It's like this quilted little pink bag that's velour and is so soft. Like, this is lovely. It looks satiny, but trust me, it's velour. It's got this cute little plum-colored tag on it with the Ipsy logo. I love this bag. This is probably one of my favorite bags I have ever received from Ipsy. And look, it matches my nails. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and open it. Okay, so this was for February of 2020. Hashtag Ipsy Feel the Love. That warm, fuzzy feeling you get from being in love, feel it every day in the littlest of things. From pampering your skin with a multi-step routine to savoring your morning coffee, every moment is an opportunity to show yourself how much you love you. Then we've got our little card of info for stuff in there. We do have the values on this one again, so I like that they're doing this once more. And on the back, they had the Valentine's Day sweepstakes and all. But that is done and over with now. So we don't have to reread that because it does not apply. So, first thing in here, actually... Oh, no, that is from here. Because I was like, do I have a bonus? No, this is actually from there. It's one of the Color Club nail polishes in the color Can You Not? Which is so me, because how many times a day I say those exact words. I'm like, oh my god, that could not be more perfect if we tried. And yes, that is literally the color name. So, this retails, it's a full size, it retails at $8.50 for this bottle. So it's about standard, average, drugstore nail polish. So anyways. Fact, lavender isn't just for spring and summer. The trendy shade is now a year-round Manny staple. 2 coats of the pro-quality nail polish delivers an opaque, streak-free finish that's resistant to chips and nicks. And it's not just pretty, it's cruelty-free. Cruelty-free, too. A win for you and your furry friends. Tip, start with a base coat, then 2 thin coats of polish right on top. Finish with your go-to top coat. So let's take a look at it. Okay, so I feel like I've gotten stuff in about this color from Ipsy in the past, but not from this brand. I'm mixing it up a little. Although, oh, it sounds like it does have the ball bearing mixers. Do we have them? Oh, we do! Yes! Okay, so you guys know me. You know I automatically love nail polishes that much harder when they have the ball bearing mixers in them because they work better. Though this one seems to be separating quite a bit, so I may have to work a little harder to really get it going. But between the two, it'll hopefully fix any damage here, because this front wall of it was all white. Now it's like starting to mix in over here, so it's like, get a little longer. I feel like I'm trying to start a campfire here with the way that I move it, but it's getting there. It's getting there. What if we do it this way? Anything? Not really? Eh. Well, regardless, it's about this shade here. It's fairly pretty. Unfortunately, it's a little too close to Pepto Pink, but I'll wear it. Maybe it'll look better on than it does in the bottle, but, yeah, I'm still in love with the name. And I don't know how it wears yet or anything. Let's see how thick or thin it is. Just taking a look at it. If I can get it open. There we go. Alright. Oh, that's actually a lot waterier than I was expecting. That'll be definitely very interesting to see how that applies when I go to use that. I was expecting it to be thicker than that. But that's okay. So, that's product number 1. Whoopsies! Okay. Next thing I've got in here is this hand lotion by Mercy Handy M-E-R-C-I. It's the French spelling Merci Handy hand cream in Hello Sunshine, which as a Beatles fan makes me think of Good Day Sunshine, and I'll probably write that on the tube just because I'm a dork, but anyways. So this is also full size, and it's valued at $7, so we're already at a value of $15.50. I think that's more than I pay for the subscription for the normal glam bag anyway, and that's only 2 products in so far. Winter weather can wreak havoc on your hands, but this hand cream is here to help. It's packed with vitamins and fatty acid-rich sweet almond oil to help dry skin. Look closely. See those tiny yellow dots? Those are emollient pearls that protect your skin and give this cream a big moisture boost. Tip, want to wake up to softer, smoother hands? Just slather on some of this cream before bed. I'll give you another tip. Wear gloves over it when you go to bed. Then it'll trap the moisture and it'll really do the thing. I speak from experience, guys. And it says on the back, we roamed the sky looking for the softest clouds, added a drop of magical sweet almond oil and a dash of enchanted shea butter, bottled it all up in a tube, and ended up with this whipped hand cream lighter than a unicumulonimbus? Unicumulonimbus. I have no idea how to say that word, but I bet it's a type of a cloud, because that's what it sounds like. Anyway, it's cruelty-free and vegan, 96% natural origin. Hello, sunshine, the sweet scent of holidays. Let's see what it smells like. That smells very gardenia-y. I'm not sure if that's what they're going for, but that's what it smells like to me, and that smells really good. There's the second product. Product number 3. Oh, this one's a bonus. Okay. So this is by Half Caked. And it's a super glazed lip cream. Babe tested, vegan approved. Semi-charmed, I think is the name of the color on this one. Let's get a good look at it. I think this is one that I redeemed points for. Yeah. So it's not quite as pink as I was expecting, but I think I could totally still rock that color. Honestly. And I love the Half Cake stuff because it always smells so good. It usually smells like a dessert, like a cupcake or something. This one's like a fruitier smelling one. I'm not even positive what that exact scent is. I would have to think about it, but there's definitely a fruity element to this one. Usually they're like very vanilla-y. I'm surprised. Pineapple. It smells like pineapple. That's it. It took me a minute. I was like, it's fruit. What fruit is it? Pineapple. That's so cool. I like that. I can't wait to review that guy. Oh my goodness. Then we have got... What else do we have in here? Do I have another bonus thing? No, I don't. Never mind. I'm a dork. So this is from The Balm Cosmetics. And it's a deluxe sample, but the full-size version of this is $29.50, so yeah, we don't have full-size of that. But this is Pedal to the Metal in Shift into Overdrive Turbo. Is it really? Is it really, though? Vav Room, Shift into Overdrive. Okay, I think they meant that it could have been one of 2 colors, and they gave me Shift into Overdrive. Oh, no, it does say turbo in there. What the frig? Shift into overdrive on the outside, but then you open it. Life in the Fast Lane Turbo. Huh. Okay. Well then. Now what kind of product is it? We're always excited when a product from the Balm comes across our desks, and this shimmery cream shadow. Ooh, this is an eyeshadow. Let's look at it again. Let's look at that shit again. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. This cream shadow has quickly become our new go-to. This rose gold... Oh, that's why I like it. This rose gold with silver flecks blends like a dream, and it's a totally unique shade that's versatile enough for day or to glam up your looks for night. Tip, use your fingers to sweep cream eyeshadow onto your lids, then blend it out with your fingers. It's been a long-ass time since I've done a cream eyeshadow. I don't think I've worn one in my adult life. The last time I wore one was in middle school, so this is going to be a bit of a throwback for me to try a cream shadow again. Because I can definitely attest that I either didn't wear them right or just wore really awful colors in middle school and it was not cute. But this is a very cute color, so hopefully I can pull it off. Next, we have a deluxe sample of, and I have a story here. This is the Tarte Sex Kitten Liquid Liner in black. Now I'm going to tell you guys a secret. The whole reason I joined Ipsy years ago was in hopes of getting this liner. It took me, 3.5 years, and I finally got the liner. All because I was too stubborn to pay $20-something for an eyeliner. I've definitely paid way more than $20 in the Ipsy, but I've gotten way more products than just one thing, so I still view it as a win. But the cap, though. Look at the cap. It's got a kitty on it! I swear, you give me cute packaging, I lose my shit. But it's so cute! It's so cute! Oh my god. Oh my god, I cannot. I think the full-size one has another cat on it somewhere, but oh my god, I love it so freaking hard. So this one is a liquid liner to boot. So I'm not sure if they additionally have a pencil one too. Maybe I'll end up with one of both if I'm real lucky, but... So, the value of the full-size version of this is $20. See? Like I said, I wasn't willing to pay $20 for eyeliner. So, date night, girls night. This baby creates liner looks for every occasion. This fast-drying formula is smear-proof, budge-proof, and everything else proof for up to 12 hours. The soft flex tip gives you a ton of control, making it easy to draw crisp lines and dramatic flicks. Plus, it's vegan and cruelty-free. Tips: store your felt tip liners upside down to help keep them from drying out. That is a smart idea. So there's that, and I'm so excited to own that finally after waiting this long. I don't think I actually realistically expected I'd ever get it, and I kind of forgot it was a thing till it showed up. I was like, I was so happy I fucking cried. Like, no joke. I legit cried. I'm that big of a dork. So then the last thing I got is by Duce Cosmetics, and it's the Boombastic Lash Volumizer Mascara. And this, again, is a deluxe sample size, as the full-size version is $24, which is more than I'm generally willing to spend on makeup on just a single product. We love the look of false lashes, but applying them daily can be a hassle. This lengthening, thickening, and volumizing mascara, on the other hand, it instantly boosts your lashes with minimal effort. Plus, the creamy carbon black formula won't clump, flake, or make your lashes feel brittle. Tip: apply 2 coats to upper lashes from root to tip. Turn the wand vertically for your lower lash line. So let's just take a look at the wand, just because it makes me happy to look at them. I love mascara. You guys know this. So actually, these bristles are not as long as I was expecting, but I do see what they mean. So we've got the ones this direction, but we've also got them on the tip like a little spike ball. So I see what they mean about getting the lower lashes that way, but it does look very gloopy on the wand. So that would probably take a little bit of working at to get it clean enough to really apply it, but I'm still excited to try this guy out, just because you guys know I love mascaras. Not that I have any on right now, but I do love them. They're usually like, if I could only put on one piece of, one piece of makeup at a time, and it had to be a go-to that made it look like it was wearing makeup and look more pulled together, that's my go-to thing. Even if nothing else gets applied, the mascara goes on, and I look more pulled together for it. So anyways, that's what I got in my February just regular glam bag from Ipsy. I do have the Ipsy Plus box too to still unbox from February as well. So anyways, you guys know the drill. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.